First, why can't I pair the device with the app? Check that we have enabled relevant permission when installing the app. Android users need to enable both Bluetooth and location permissions. iOS users need to enable the Bluetooth permission only. Before pairing, make sure the Bluetooth indicator on the device is flashing. Press the power button or function button to turn it on if necessary. If the problem persists, please uninstall the app and download it again. When prompted, confirm to enable the relevant permissions. Then search for your device again. Second, why does the device data differ from the data of the recorder? Is the data in the app wrong? The device data records of snoring data in relation to actual physical intervention. However, the device will not always intervene each time you snore. Whether or not it intervenes depends on the device sensitivity set in the app. The higher the sensitivity, the easier it is to detect quieter snores. As a result, the recorded number of snores and the number of interventions will increase accordingly. The device records both the number of snores and the volume of snoring. The recorder uses the phone's microphone to record snoring, which is then analyzed by the app. It does not take into account the volume of snoring. When using the recorder, the phone's main microphone should be directed towards your mouth and nose at a distance of 30 to 50 cm. If using the recorder to compare the effects of using the device, make sure to keep the phone in approximately the same position with each use to provide greater value. For comparison, the above differences can cause inconsistencies in data. The main purpose of the recorder is to allow users to gain a general understanding of their snoring throughout an entire night, and to compare the effect of using that product. Third, why does the app not display data for the entire period of use? The device may have fallen off or powered off during use. This issue may occasionally be due to app incompatibility. In this case, please contact our customer service by phone or email. You may also contact our online customer service agents via VVFLY's official WeChat account. Please provide your user brand and model of phone, Android or iOS version, and the app version so that our technicians can identify the cause of such issue and make optimizations. Fourth, why is device data not synced to the app after use? Why is no data displayed when I connect to Bluetooth the morning after use? Why is no data displayed after using the device? You need to pair the device with the app before using the device. Data can then be displayed after syncing. When syncing data, please wait for the app to prompt that syncing is complete. Fifth, how does the app classify the data period for a single day? Data for a single day is measured over a 24-hour period from noon on one day to noon on the following day. For example, data obtained before noon on December 10 will be recorded as data for December 9, while that obtained after noon will be recorded as data for December 10. For instance, data for September 12 is defined as all data recorded from 12 on September 12, 2020 to 11:59:59 on September 13, 2020. Sixth, where is no data displayed after using the recorder for an entire night? You need to enable the microphone permission to use the recorder. The above issue may also occur in the following circumstances. The phone or other function may occupy the phone's microphone and cause the recording to stop. Please enable Do Not Disturb mode. B. For Android phones, power saving mode or system optimizations may cause the recording to stop. Please add Sleeplus to the app whitelist or list of protected background apps. Disable power saving mode and lock the app settings. See, the device may have fallen off or accidentally powered off during use. 7. Why is no data displayed for naps? The recorder must be used for at least 1 hour before data can be displayed in the app.